Hi. In the question and answer column in the Economic Review November 2014, there was discussion of the effect of a minimum price. In other words, a situation where the government decide to set a price in a market which is above its equilibrium. Now, this reminds you of figure 3 in the column, which shows the effect of this particular policy. So here we've got a market where the equilibrium price is at PE, but the government choose to set a minimum price Pmin, guaranteeing to purchase any excess supply at that price. In other words, in this case, in equilibrium the quantity traded would be QE, but with the minimum price at Pmin, demand would be QD, supply would be QS, and the government would have to buy up the surplus supply. And the cost of this is given by this shaded area here, QD, A, B, QS. Now what I want to explore in this brief video is the effect on the cost of maintaining this minimum price under different assumptions about the elasticity of supply and of demand. So let's first consider the impact of a different elasticity of supply. So let's suppose that instead of the supply curve being S0, we have the relatively more elastic supply curve S1. So if the price is maintained at Pmin, then supply, instead of being QS0, will be QS1. In other words, producers are more flexible in responding to price. This increases the cost of maintaining Pmin by this area shaded on the figure. So the more elastic is supply, the higher the cost of maintaining a minimum price above its equilibrium level. Okay, how about demand? This time I'm going to explore what happens if demand is more inelastic. In other words, if consumers are less sensitive to price, at least relatively speaking. So D1 shows a relatively more inelastic demand curve. So with the price at Pmin, the reduction in demand, because the price is above equilibrium, is rather less. So consumers now demand QD1 instead of QD0. And again, the effect is that the authorities, in order to maintain price at Pmin, have to purchase more of the commodity because excess supply is now higher, and again the additional cost is given by this shaded area here. So the more inelastic is demand, the higher the cost of maintaining the price above its equilibrium price. Thank you.